to meet you. My name is Lyss. If you would like to become a part of our internet family, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe. Huh? Make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I would love to have you here, and I know everyone else would love to have you here as well. For today's video, we're doing the first ever long hair versus short hair video. I wanted to show you guys different looks that you could use for two different lengths, because a lot of you are like, you have long hair, but can you show us how to do it on short hair? So I thought I would recruit my sister so I could do a look on her and do it on me so you can see what it looks like for both lengths. But yeah, so my sister is in these videos with me. Shout out to you, Emmy, I love you. Let's get into the video. So this is the thing, with long and short hair, you can really use, like for this type of look, we can both use that same larger barrel. Before we get started, we're gonna use this. Close your mouth. Just trust me, this is what you need. So a lot of you were saying how you wanted to see, like when I do my wavy hair tutorials, you want to see what that looks like on short hair, so we're gonna do that today. We're gonna do about like your ear, so you have that chunk down. Oh my gosh, guys. It's a video with Emma that's not it. Get ready with me. For these pieces, like in the back, honestly, you could just kind of do like a little, honestly, I actually, now that I'm seeing it, I don't even think I would do a wave. Like it does nothing, there's no point. So I would pull out more of your hair. A lot of time with short hair, like you just can't even see the underneath anyways. And even with long hair, no one really cares about the underneath. You got a pineapple? What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna take a piece and just kind of do like a, or we'll do it from behind, just kind of do like a bend like that. These ones, I'm the most, how do I describe it? Because you don't wanna do a bunch of curlies underneath anyways, because then that will just look poofy and it'll look funky and it'll do the thing that everybody hates. I feel like most people, when they just want to wave, it ends up getting poofy because they do more of a curl, but they do that on accident. It's not like they do it on purpose, you know? And I feel like the thing with shorter hair is, I mean, you can correct me if I'm wrong because you're the one doing the shorter hair. Like with my hair, I want like a few little waves in it, longer, whereas short hair, you just kind of want that bend in the middle. I feel like it's more of a bend and less of a wave, if that makes sense. I actually did a video where I show you guys how to do, or how I do like a simple easy wave in like 10 minutes, so I'll link that below so you guys can see that, because it's literally, it's so easy. I get quite a few comments that are like, look, you have long hair so you can do everything, short hair can't do anything, and I'm like, yeah, you can. I used to have short hair. I would just like hold it maybe a little longer and just kind of let it drop and like don't touch it. Do you know what I mean? So I'm pulling up the piece and I'm aiming this curling wand straight down and wrapping it back. We're just gonna hold this for, I don't know, 10-15 seconds, and then I'm gonna kind of hold it for a second and then let it drop, and then we'll go back, we'll go through and we'll mess with it. We're just gonna repeat this process around her whole head. Here, now you can kind of see in the mirror how there's more of like this. Yeah. For Emma, I have thinner hair than Emma, obviously, and her pieces feel like, even just like individually, they feel a lot more thick than mine do. So I upped the heat for the wand and I'm holding it a little longer. You want to hold the curling wand down. Okay, I'm doing the same process that we are doing to Emma's hair, but I'm just wrapping mine around a few more times because obviously duh. And then for the front pieces, as always, I kind of want to start at my, where my highlight is. What is that called? Cheekbone? When I think back to how I used to style my shorter hair, I would curl it and wave it. And I actually have, oh man, those videos are so old, I don't even know if I want to link them, but I will anyway. When my hair was like shoulder length, and I have a few curly, like showing you how to curl your hair with that length, so they're really cringy, but I'll leave them below anyway so you guys can see them. It's just about like getting the hang of it. Once you have the hang of it, it's really easy. I would suggest holding it a little longer and then just like letting it fall. Like don't pull on it. For these longer pieces up here, I'm actually able to kind of wrap it around like once. Yeah, she could do it, she could do it, she could do it. Yeah, she could do it, she's doing it now. Hey, she can do it. Hey. Ooh, look at you. Look at that little bend in there. I love that. Good job, sis. I'm so proud of you. This whole time, Emma's been like, I can't do anything to my hair. And I'm like, yes, you can. Follow me on oh. Okay. That was a good piece. Good job. Emma has literally been saying, she's like, I don't know how to do that. I can't do that. And she literally can. This is her first time trying. They're doing it all. See guys, anyone can do anything. If Emma can curl her hair, wave her hair, you can do anything in life, right?
Yep.
I'm so happy, you guys. This makes me really happy. This would be so fun. One of my dreams, I just thought of something incredible. As my channel grows, manifesting people. You see how I did that? It'd be so cool if I had like a little mini show where I brought like a subscriber on and taught them how to do one of my hairstyles, like something that they really love. Now I can see what Emma meant about these ends, so we're gonna just kind of, I'm just gonna kind of curl these like under. If you run into that issue, do the same, do you guys like my sweatpants? Do the same thing and take your straightener and just kind of go in and you can straighten out the ends, or you can take a piece of hair like this and you can do your curl and just kind of pull it straight down. Then you'll get more of that. Ooh, I just made that really curly. If you do it with like a thicker piece, you get it. Because then the ends go straight. Like literally the smallest amount, okay? And then you're just gonna kind of scrunch it through the texture, just kind of like rub it, just mess with it. Yes, yes, there you go. I just really like the texture this stuff brings. This is the Way Dry Shampoo Wave Spray. Ready? Close your face. Okay, ready? OMG. Cute! This is cool girl hair, like blogger cool girl. I'm on Instagram, but I also like listen to underground music that no one knows about. And I like save the planet and my free time. See? Short hair girls can do the same thing that long hair girls can do. Yay! I love this on you. Did you like this video? I hope you did. Let me know in the comments below what other videos you want to see from me. I'm always curious. I'm always listening to your ideas. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys. I feel like I'm moving my head like a dog. Like, huh? Walk? Treat?